Man, it is really warm and sunny today. We're gonna go ahead and pop this car cover off, get this video started with the beautiful Cobra. Should be not too bad. It rained a couple times, but you guys already know this car cover does pretty good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little drive. Gotta go ahead and drop that off at the post office. You go ahead and see by the title of the video, it's already gonna go ahead and be around the headlights. Fingers crossed everything works out good for that. But we're gonna go ahead and take a drive again, drop that off at the post office first. So we're gonna go ahead and put the GoPro up on the visor so we get a little bit POV. Literally cannot roll an inch forward, or RIP the splitter. He blinked, he went for it. Man, I know I was just messing around right there, but damn, this E85 smells old. I need to put some fresh E in here. I want to pull this thing in. Alright. Oh, fuck. So with the Cobra parked here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these LED lights. You go ahead and see, these are some very generic RGB lights. You go ahead and see how small the boards are. And the only reason why I'm trying this, and I'm literally just testing it, is because these are not projectors. You go ahead and see these are actually a reflector style. So this should be enough just to wrap around inside that little column right there. And pretty much I want to see how it will look. Again, I want to test it because typically you're supposed to have projectors to actually put the RGBs in. So just keep that in mind. This is 100% just testing, just for the fun of it. But if you guys do like it, again, I don't know how it's gonna end up. The link will always be in the description. You go ahead and see, we exposed that beautiful Kenny bell. And if you guys haven't worked on these cars, to take out the headlights, it's literally just these two tabs. You gotta love working on these cars. Very, very simple. There's one, and there's two. And there you go, nice and easy. Just literally slides out. So we pretty much, okay. So we have them in already. We pretty much Mickey Moused it. We're not even gonna talk about the duct tape job that I did to get it to work. But we have the ground right here, and we're gonna go ahead and plug into one of the fuses right now. I'm just trying to decide which fuse to use. You can kind of see the little tab right at the top, but it is pretty well hidden. I did that on purpose, obviously. But again, if you guys did actually want to keep it permanently, then you guys definitely would actually want to drill a hole and get some sealant to actually seal it, so that way no moisture gets inside. So I went ahead and actually connected up to the fog lights fuse right there. So pretty much they're not on yet. I go on my phone and we go ahead and pretty much scan for it, and it's already connected. But we go ahead and control it. You go ahead and see. That's pretty much how it looks. I'm very curious to see how it's going to look at night. Obviously with the sun literally shining right on it. I'm surprised you can actually see it this well. But you go ahead and see, just kind of going through the colors. It's pretty cool. Technically they're not demon lights because they're not projectors, so it definitely is a little different. But it is controlled by the phone again, so I can go ahead and actually just turn them off and turn them on just like that. So I am a little scared, but I guess we'll go ahead and find out. I am just gonna leave them plugged in just the way it is, and pretty much come back out at night, and if the battery is dead, obviously that's a problem. So not too bad. I went actually ahead and put it on the rotating mode, so we go ahead and just kind of see all the colors flashing right now. But not too bad. Again, you guys see we have the stang lights, super bright LEDs all the way around. Yeah, these LEDs never fail. They are super bright. But you go ahead and see they are very dim as far as the LEDs go for the RGB ones, which is a good thing because we honestly do not want super bright lights that, you know, reflect out there that are red, blue, or whatever. And I'm definitely going to go ahead and enjoy them for the next couple of days. But that's about it. Probably get some photos. So I tried to get a little rolling shot to just go ahead and show you guys, but honestly, it wasn't really doing justice. You guys saw it, but we're gonna go ahead and wait for a better opportunity. So stay tuned if you wanna go ahead and see that. If not, again, the link is in the description if you guys wanna go ahead and check them out and try it for yourself. And just to plug it in real quick, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. It would help out a lot. Let's go ahead and jump to the next part. So I'm actually waiting for the sun to go down. We actually have Estrella here. She's gonna go ahead and probably, hopefully, we'll see how it goes, drive the Cobra and try to get a little better rolling shot. But in the meantime, we did get something in the mail. You go ahead and see the plate right there. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys. We finally got the Jake SVT plates. This has been like about a year, in all honesty. Obviously, because of the pandemic, it took way longer than it's supposed to. So we have the other one. We're gonna go ahead and put the stickers on and then go ahead and finally put it on and make it official.
It's official, JakeSVT. Now what should we do with the Focus?
Man, that adds so much more character to the Cobra. Finally, it's complete. I really, really love it. Again, I've been waiting for a year for these, so it's finally good to have them. And like she said, I honestly don't know if we're gonna, like, I plan on keeping the Focus, so like I wouldn't care to actually get the plates, like either way, but honestly don't even know what I'd put on it. So unfortunately, I know I wanted to show you guys more of the lights. In all honesty, like I said, this was gonna be temporary, but they already broke pretty much. I don't know what's going on with them. Honestly, I do not care. Like I said, I literally just want to take pictures with them. That's not gonna happen. So this is gonna go ahead and be a fail. However, we're gonna go ahead and have Estrella right here. She's actually helping me out right now. We're gonna go ahead and take all this lights back out and let her still drive because she was actually really excited to drive for the first time since having Ian. But first, we gotta go ahead and pull out all this rat nest because I don't want this in the car if it's not even working. Man, I even had the whole camera out. That is really disappointing, but trash. Again, I'm not even gonna link it because obviously it's trash. So let's go ahead and see Estrella start this Cobra up. There we go. Perfect. There. So remember, you can always save it by just putting the clutch back in. You got it. Got it? Good, good. All right. All right. I don't even think she put any gas in that. All right, attempt 2. But, I mean, she didn't even put gas. The car didn't even roll, like, not even a bit. So, I don't even know if that counts. But, let's see what happens. Nope. Okay. Hey, sounds like it's gonna break. Really? Attempt, I honestly lost count. And I still don't know where we're at. You got it, just keep trying. You made it like 10 feet. You still got it though. You never put down the e-brake? No wonder, bro. I was wondering why. Bro, that is such a rookie thing. Oh my God. You live and you learn, man. You live and you learn. Let's go that way. Huh? No, do not take it out the driveway. Just pull it behind the Honda right here. You were so close. How do you do that?
It's my special. Do you guys have a YouTube?
Yeah, I do.
What? Well, I'm gonna subscribe when I get home.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.